Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're going to talk about the 4 signs that you need a battery replacement. When do you go to a repair service and get a battery replacement done? Or when do you just postpone the service and just let your smartphone die naturally so you can just buy or get a new device? So these 4 reasons we're going to discuss right now, and first off is the number 1 reason, the most obvious sign, is the reduced battery life. So this is the most obvious sign of battery depletion, characterized by lower times between urgent need to recharge your device. So if your smartphone can literally last for 12 hours when it's brand new, but now you're losing some productivity to good old battery aging, then it's a bad sign. If it's from 12 hours to 10 hours, that's fine. You lost 2 hours, that's no biggie. But if you have to recharge your smartphone before lunchtime, then it's a sign for you to have a battery replacement. Next reason is unexpected shutdowns. So if a lithium-ion battery pack is aging, it can't supply the necessary power to momentary boost your smartphone's processing. It needs more voltage to perform intensive tasks. This results to unexpected shutdowns. You don't see it coming. When you fire up a very power-hungry application or mobile game, your smartphone just dies on you or just turns off on you. If this happens to you more often than you can bear, then it's a sign that you need a battery replacement immediately. Number 3, there's what we call the boot loop. So this is a phenomenon that happens when your battery can't give the necessary power to boot up your device. Have you experienced that thing when you try to turn on your device and it keeps turning on and off over and over again, and it's stuck on the manufacturer's logo, like it's not even trying to boot up? Then that's what you call a boot loop. Apparently your smartphone is not happy of the power, the quality of power, the quantity of power that it receives from the battery, and it can be a motherboard issue or a software issue after you updated your device or you let your battery go to 0, but it can also be a sign that you need a battery replacement. So it depends. The last reason, the last sign, is a physical damage like bloating. Have you seen those batteries? So modern batteries in smartphones are high-powered battery packs. They can literally power a computer that you can fit in your pocket. But it can also be dangerous with extreme cases of it exploding if designed incorrectly. Some of brands that have those cases. However, if your phone is slowly bulging at the back or at the front, you can literally just see it lifting up your screen or your back cover, then there's no other suspect than a bloating, bulging battery. So yes folks, it can still happen. If you want to save your device from more damage from this case of Incredible Hulk battery, then do the right thing. Have a battery replacement immediately. So before you go and say, it's not worth it. Some smartphone problems can be different for every device, brand, or model. So that's a disclaimer. Those are the caveats. But if your service technician tells you that you can have a battery replacement and it's cost effective and it's not gonna cost you a lot of hassle, then you go for it. You'll thank me later. So those are the 4 signs that you need a battery replacement. Number 1, reduced battery life. Number 2, unexpected shutdowns. Number 3, boot loops. And number 4, physical damage to the battery pack itself. So if you have a need for a battery replacement, visit Sydney CBD Repair Center because we also replace batteries. We also replace screens on smartphones on both Android and iOS. We also replace screens and batteries on smartwatches. So call us, follow us on Facebook. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time guys, cheers!